Meet AES Cryptor. Encryption so fast and simple, it's almost suspicious, except it's actually secure. Under the hood, AES GCM with 128, 192, 256-bit keys, so you get confidentiality and integrity. Use it straight from Blueprints or C++. For the easiest workflow, choose Packed Mode. One base 64-string with nonce, cipher, tag. Perfect for save games, configs, and network payloads. No key to share? Go password insanely. PBKDF2 derives the key from a password and iterations. Just decrypt with the same password. Need full control? Manual GCM gives you separate nonce, cipher, and tag for protocol-level integrations. Prefer non-blocking? Flip to the async nodes and keep your game threads smooth. Everything is UTF-8 by default and packaging ready for shipping builds. Lock down your data in minutes. Save games, tokens, configs, client messaging without wrestling crypto. Grab AES Cryptor on FAB and level up your project's security. AES Cryptor, because we'll fix it later, is not a security plan.